Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Texture Pack in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's get started. First, open the browser and go to Google, then search for CourseForge and click the top result. Once you're on the site, scroll down and click View All, then select Minecraft Bedrock. On the left side, click Browse All and choose Texture Pack, and from the sidebar. Then, at the top, you can search for a specific pack or use the sort by option to filter by popularity, downloads, and or relevance. Once you find a texture pack you like, click on it to see more details. If you're happy with it, click download. After the download finishes, simply double-click the file and Minecraft will automatically open and import the pack. Now go back to the Minecraft home screen, then click play and create new world. On the left sidebar, select resource pack, then open the owned section and find your texture pack and click activate. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.